What's going on, everybody? Today's video is going to be about my June 2020 update of what I've sold on eBay. I'm going to go through and list everything I sold, what it sold for, what the shipping was, and after I show you everything, I'm going to break it all down and give you some more info on it. So I'm going to jump right in. This is in order of what I sold at the beginning of the month to the end of the month. The first thing I sold was a BMW E93 taillight for $150 plus $15 shipping. A Jeep Wrangler blind spot sensor for $75 plus $4 shipping. Chevrolet Traverse LED headlight for $550 plus $25 shipping. Honda Accord door mirror for $100 plus $10 shipping. Toyota Corolla LED headlight for $75 plus $20 shipping. BMW X5 third brake light for $100 plus $10 shipping. BMW X3 tailgate latch and motor for $300 plus $10 shipping. Chrysler Pacifica headlight for $180 plus $35 shipping. BMW X3 Xenon headlight for $225 plus $40 shipping. Ford Crown Victoria door module for $40 plus $5 shipping. And an Audi S5 daytime running light LED module for $45 plus $5 shipping. In June of 2020, I sold 11 items for $1,840. I was paid $179 to ship all the items, and I actually spent $172 to ship everything. So in this month, you can see I didn't make any money off the shipping prices like I did in other months. For those 11 items, it comes out to $167 average an item. $1,840 plus $179 shipping minus the $172 it actually took to ship is $1,847. I subtract 13%, which is the average percentage that eBay and PayPal takes from you, which is $240. So I end up with $1,607 of profit at the end of the month. For the 11 items, I spent maybe 3 hours to list and box and ship everything. And that comes out to $535 an hour to sell the parts. As you can see, I averaged pretty much the same thing I did in May. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'm trying to be as transparent to you guys as I can and show you exactly what I'm selling and for how much I'm selling it for. If you guys like this type of video, please let me know. Give me a like, leave me a comment. If you have any questions about anything I sold or how I came up with any of the numbers, please let me know and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.